Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your business account login, registered mobile OTP access, and the exact check details like check number and leaf series. Open the Yono Business App now and authenticate using your login and OTP. This secures the session. Once done, navigate to the Accounts tab to locate the linked checkbook options. You must act promptly because stopping a check prevents settlement. This early step reduces risk of accidental clearance. You now find the Stop Check workflow. Go to Accounts, then Check Management or Services. Select the correct account, then tap Stop Check to open the form. Enter the check number, choose a stop reason, and select a duration or until canceled option. This tells the bank how long to hold. Make sure details match the physical check so the system identifies it, otherwise the request may fail. Once filled, preview to verify all fields before submission. You finish by authorizing the stop request. Review the summary, then confirm using OTP or your MPIN. After successful submission, note the reference ID and take a screenshot. These prove the instruction was sent. Make sure you receive an in-app confirmation and SMS alert. If the request fails, try again after clearing app cache and re-login. And if problems persist, call your branch with the reference details. This troubleshooting step resolves most processing or verification hiccups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.